It was pretty cool to ride this location, man. It was a quick shot, good times, and one check off the list. Maxime Joshuk here van Helvoort brought me to the Netherlands for this project where we got going on called Unlock the Netherlands. So we made a quick stop through the harbor here to get a couple carp shot, a couple fillers. The reason we're doing this trip for 2 weeks is I wanted to bring friends on this trip to make it a lot more fun. And Holland has so many great spots to ride at. So if you only do it for a weekend or 5 days, it's not enough time. So we wanted to maximize our opportunities and go for 2 weeks and try and ride every day. So.